welcome to English class. Today, see what I have got for you. I'm opening the bag. Let me open the bag. Let me see what is there in the bag. I'm going to show you. What is it? What is it? What is it? It is a bat. Next. What is it? It is a bat. It is a bat. What is this? What is it? It is a dog. This one, fish. Fish. What is it? It is a fish. What is it? It is a doll. It is a doll. What is it? What is it? It is a book. It is a picture dictionary book. What is it? What is it? It is a mask. It is a face mask. What is it? It is a vegetable. It is a carrot. A carrot. So, like this you will keep asking more questions. If you don't know, look around yourself and see the things. And if you don't know, you must ask your mom or you can ask your teacher, what is it? What is it means? It is a question. What is it? Amma, idu enna? Idu enna? Okay, answer is, it is. It is a fish. It is a carrot. Now, look at this. What is it? What is it? It is an apple. It is an apple. What is it? Wow, what is it? It is an aeroplane. It is an aeroplane. What is it? It is a pen. It is a pen. And this one, what is it? It is a bottle. It is a bottle. Water bottle. What is it? It is a chalk. It is a chalk. And this one, what is it? It is a bag. It is a bag. Now, you tell me, what is it? Very good, an apple. So, don't say only an apple. You must say it in a sentence. Fulla eppadi solnuna? It is an apple. Okay? What is it? 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 It is an apple. It is an apple. Okay? What is it? What is it? What is it? Now you tell me, what is it? It is a fish. Very good. What is it? What is it, children? Can you tell me what is it? Very good. It is a dog. It is a dog. Now you tell me, what is it? Bat. But don't say bat. This is one bat. So we say it as a bat. When you tell it in a sentence, you must say it how you will say. It is a bat. It is a bat. Okay. So these are the things. Now I will teach you how to write the sentence on the board. Okay. All of you. Take your term book. On page number 12, what is it? 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 It is a box. It is a box. It is a box. A means A na ஒரு box. A box, one box. Okay, it is a box. இது ஒரு box. It is a dog. What is it? It is a dog. இது ஒரு dog. Okay, it is a pen. இது ஒரு pen. It is a pen. Okay, so today we will write this on the board and practice. W-H-A-T. All of you tell along with me. W-H-A-T. What? What na? Enna. Okay. What is it? இப்போ இங்க ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல. What is it? Okay. So let me draw a picture. Let me draw a picture. What is it? What is it, children? Can you identify this picture? A box. Okay. So what is it? What is it? A box. So we will write IT, it. IS is. It is means idu. It is idu. A box. A box. Oru box. It is a box. You also keep asking so many questions. Amma, idu ennadu? Adu enna? Idu enna? Okay. So this, when you ask question, you will get the answer. What is it? What is it? Can you tell me what is it? A box. A box. A box is one word answer. Okay. ஒரே வார்த்தை சொல்ல இது என்னன்னா box. Okay. அது ஒரு வாக்கியத்துல சொல்லணும்னா it is a box. Okay. Say it in a full sentence. Okay. Like how if I ask you what is your name, you will say just your name. Like when you ask me what is your name, I will say Kalpana. Okay. But when I say it in a sentence, I will say as my name is Kalpana ma'am. Okay, my name is Kalpana ma'am. Okay children, so anything you write, you must write it in a full sentence. Okay, it is a box. Now write down IT 8 finger space. All of you keep your fingers this way. Keep your fingers and give us space. IS is finger space you can say A itself. Okay, it is a box. Finger space again, finger space box. BOX box. Okay, so இது ஒரு word, இது ஒரு word, இது ஒரு word, இது ஒரு word. Okay, after each word you have to give a finger space. Okay, give a finger space. And when you complete the sentence, இந்த வாக்கியம் முடிஞ்ச உடனே full stop. Okay, and like how you say it is a box, just when you stop you must also put a full stop here. Okay, just like how we talk. It is a box. Once again, IT 8 finger space IS is finger space. If you write along with me, finger space A finger space box. Okay, after you write, read the sentence. Read the sentence carefully. It is a box. Question கேள்வி கேட்கும்போது எப்படி கேட்கணும்? What is it? 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 And answer ena. It's a box. It is a box. It's a box. It's a box. It's a box. It's a box. Okay children? Now another picture. Next picture. picture is this? Can you see? What is it? Tell me, what is it? Dog. Very good. Ethana dog. A dog. One dog means a dog. So how you write in a sentence? What is it? It is a dog. Say once again. It is a dog. Okay, we will write. Write down. IT 8. IS is. It is a dog. 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 It is a dog. It is a dog. IT 8. Finger space. IS is. Finger space. A. Finger space. Dog. 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 Full stop. Okay, children? Okay, shall we write again? IT 8. IT 8 and the capital letter. See, first letter, when you start a sentence, you must use capital letter. Write in capital letter. IT 8, finger space. IS is, finger space. A. It is a, finger space. Dog. 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 Okay, now okay, children, now see your book. What is there here? What picture is this? It is a pen. It is a pen. Write down. What is it? What is it? A pen. So how we write it in a sentence? It is a pen. IT 8. IT 8. Finger space. IS is. Finger space. A. Finger space. Pen. So very good. You have learned how to write a sentence. ஓகே, இவ்வளோ நாள் வெறும் வேர்டு மட்டும் தான் நம்ம படிச்சுட்டு இருந்தோம். இப்போ எப்படி சென்டென்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறது நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டோம். எஸ், நோ? வெரி குட். ரைட் டவுன் சில்ட்ரன். ரைட் இட் நீட்லி அண்ட் சே அண்ட் ரைட். சே அண்ட் ரைட். கேபிட்டல் ஐ, கேபிட்டல் லெட்டர். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெட்டர் என்ன? கேபிட்டல் லெட்டர். வெரி குட். IT 8. வெரி குட். IT 8. ஃபிங்கர் ஸ்பேஸ். சொல்லி சொல்லி எழுதுங்க. IS is. It is. It is னா இது. Okay, it is. It is. It is. Okay, it is. என்னது? It is. என்ன இருக்கு? A pen. Very good. A pen. Finger space. Pen. 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 Okay. இப்போ pen pen அது ஒரு word. Okay, it is a word. இது வந்து ஒரு வார்த்தை. இது வார்த்தை போல ஒரு எழுத்து சொற்கள்ல எப்படி மா அப்படிலாம் வருது. அது போல A also is a word. சின்ன வேர்டு, ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் வேர்ட். ஓகே, ஏனா ஒன்று, ஒரு பென், பேனா. ஓகே, இட் இஸ் ஏ பென். ஃபுல் ஸ்டாப். இப்போ ஃபுல் ஸ்டாப். ஃபுல் ஸ்டாப் எப்படி வைக்கிறது? ஜஸ்ட் ஒன் டாட். ஓகே, neatly and don't poke your and don't make a hole on your page. Okay, children? IT 8. IT 8. Say and write. IT 8 neatly. And word you must close it. Okay, don't give space between. Don't give space for a word. Okay, after you complete the word only you must give space. Okay, so IT 8, write it closer. அப்புறம் தான் finger space கொடுக்கணும். IS is together எழுதுங்க. IS is அப்புறம் தான் finger space கொடுக்கணும். A smallest word. A னா ஒன்று. Pen. Pen. Okay. So this is a pen. See. It is a pen. pen. Okay. And here it is a dog. What is it? It is a dog. இப்போ நம்ம எப்படி சொல்றோம் அதே மாதிரி நம்ம எழுதணும் இல்லையா? So you write it is a dog. It is a pen. It is a box. Okay. Once again children, now tell along with me, what is it? 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 It is a box. It's a box. It's a box. It is வந்துட்டு நம்ம it's ன்னு கூட சொல்லலாம். Okay. பட் bookல it is ன்னு இருக்கு. So full complete sentence நீங்க எழுதணும். It is a box. It is a box. It is a box. It is a box. Okay. Now next sentence. What is it? 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 It is a dog. It is a dog. It is a dog. It is a dog. Okay. Next sentence. What is it? What is it? What is it? It is a pen. It is a pen. It is a pen. Okay children. See you in the next class.